Hello, this is Dave, and welcome to Equity Story. Just very quickly, we did say that we thought the market last 2 weeks was going to go down and retest this 5,335 level. It more or less did that today. I suppose the question is, what next? You know, uh, well, the important thing is that we hold this level. Obviously, if we don't hold this level by the end of the week, I think we could go a lot lower next week and retest maybe that 5,150 level, which is actually quite a nice chunky drop. So very important. So I think for all those sort of shorter term traders out there, I'd really want to see the ASX generally hold this sort of level, start turning up before I think I was going to put or attempt to put on some and that's not easy in this market, some shorter term trades. We were talking about how the resources are starting to look like they're perking up, and again, a pretty ugly day. I mean, we looked at these stocks yesterday on the ASX. Pretty ugly day. Rio's up 1.7%. I think there's a lot of excitement at the moment with these resource companies. Obviously, everyone sees China. It's really kicking on a little bit at the moment, China. But really, it's just not just China. It's like I said, this could be a really good kick up in resources in obviously Indonesia and the Philippines and other countries around Asia and also America. So I think the resources sector is certainly moving very very nicely, and certainly we've got to start looking to get some trends on in that area. And again, look at FMG. What a great trending stock. I mean, it's run really hard, but again, a pretty tough day. Had a nice sort of move up. BHP didn't fare quite so well, but certainly IGO, which is a really exciting sort of smaller resource company, again really sort of outperformed against the market. It had a really nice move up. It's funny enough, it had one of our buy signals on the weekend, which we put out, and it's actually traded very very well today. One of the other stocks actually had a buy signal again, really outperformed the markets today, was BDR. So in a pretty horrible day to get two of those buy signals really outperforming, and BDR was up sort of over 5%, is outstanding. So I think the important thing is what have we been doing at Equity Story today, and what I have been doing. I went to see this company called Bod Australia. Now they are listing. When are they listing? Tomorrow. So I think it's a really exciting story. It's a very simple business model. They've got two really, I think, pretty solid products, BioEffect and what's the other one called? Dr. Robux. And both of these obviously for your skin toners are going to help you, hopefully help you stay young and fit and healthy. I had a chat actually with the CEO, and it's a little bit early for us, Bod. We really want to see the revenue model start kicking in, and I think when we can see the revenue growing and people obviously starting to really use the products, I'll certainly get pretty excited. What I did suggest to the CEO, I had a good chat with her today, was very nice lady, I must say, really, really very, very nice, and sort of Joe Patterson. I did suggest to her that maybe she should give Equity Story members a free trial of the product. She thought that was a good idea, so I'm waiting to get an email from her, and if she wants to do that, then hopefully I can, those who'd like to, or those lady members who'd like to trial this product, I think it'd be an ideal time to really give the product a test. And you know what? If you'll come back to me and say, Dave, this stuff's amazing, well, maybe that we'll put it as a buy. But I think it's not a bad idea, actually. So hopefully she'll get back to us, and like I said, we're not putting too much on at the moment in the way of trends and stocks, but in this sort of quiet period, if I can make you all look a little bit younger, then I think Equity Story is well worth its membership every year. Apart from that, although I do get the feeling that a few members phone me up, and there's a bit of nerves out there. This is exciting. This is a good time when we can get back into all those lovely stocks, the ones we sold, the corporate travels. Absolutely love the stock, the Appens. If we can get these stocks at cheaper levels in the next 2 or 3 weeks. The Catapults, your Adasols, stocks that are, I think, growing their earnings anyway, and they just run a little bit too hard. Your VTGs, get your VTGs back around $4. I mean, why not? So, other stocks, obviously, ALU, companies that we really like fundamentally, get it down there at $7. That'd be so exciting. And obviously, things like Hansen get a little bit cheaper, even $7.76. Then why not? So, for us personally, these weak markets, it's the time to really get our 3-year growth portfolio. We have taken a lot of profits, as you know, over the last 2 months, and that'd be a great time to obviously try and get some of these stocks at better levels and sort of hopefully make even more money. Anyway, it's good to see gold doing well. We are trending 2 gold stocks at the moment, Evolution, Northern Star, and I look forward to bringing you this report tomorrow night. Thank you and good night.